All right, McIntyre, we are going to learn the notes for the song We Will Rock You. Let's take a look at our notes for this song. We have do, day, do, do, day, do. Say that with me now. Ready? Go. Do, day, do, do, day, do. One more time. Ready? Go. Do, day, do, do, day, do. Nice job. We're going to do just a few different things with these notes. Take a look at this. We're going to start off with our do day. But for our do, we're going to actually turn it into an X. And then we'll go back and say do day. And then another X for our do. So what we're going to do here on the X, so we're actually going to clap our hands. Let's try it. Ready, go. Do, day, do, do, day, do, do, day, do, do, day, do. Try that with me now. Ready, go. Do, day, do, do, day, do, do, day, do, do, day, do. Now, I mentioned before that we are going to be drumming today. So we've got to talk about which hands are going to hit our drum first. So right here for these do days, we're going to do that with our right hand. And then on this one, let's say that we're going to click our sticks together. Or maybe you don't have sticks, maybe you have spoons or something from your kitchen. And then we're going to go back here. And then we'll click. So let's try it. Ready, go. Right, right, click. Right, right, click. Right, right, click. Right, right, click. Very nice. Now in the video that we watched, sometimes we're going to use our right hand, but sometimes we're going to use our left hand. Let's try that now. Left, left, click. Left, left, click. Left, left, click. Left, left, click. And then towards the end, you might see a B. And that means that we're going to use both of our hands at the same time. So it's kind of like this. And then we clap. Try that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, McIntyre, I hope that helps you play the bucket drumming song, We Will Rock You. Remember, you don't have to use a bucket, you don't have to use a drum, you don't even have to use drumsticks. You can use a table, you can use a pot that you find from the kitchen, you could even use an empty box. It's up to you. I hope you have a great time, and we'll be back next week ready to do some more music. All right, see you later.